Hey guys, welcome to SiRMaLoPerformance. My name's Yvonne. If you guys have been following me, this is Project SirMalo that I'm working on. What I'm going to be talking about today is this XLink. XLink, all it does is give communication from my PCM to the throttle body. And very important if you want to drive your car. Definitely need one of these if you're going to do what I did with the Corvette throttle body. Our harness originally, this is a 5.3 V8 04 Silverado. This is the original. So 6-pin out to the throttle body, 8-pin in from the harness. Very easy to install actually. You just gotta definitely know what you're doing. If you don't even bother installing this because these X-Links are expensive. So this is the X-Link. As you guys can see, just clips right into place. The 8-pin connection, and whatever XLink does to convert the signal to a 6-pin, I guess they've been doing it right because for what they're charging, it better work. Clips right in, has a little locking tab, and then that's it, guys. Your guys' XLink is now installed. That way you can use your original gas pedal in there. No swapping of gas pedals, nothing like that. Independent wiring, soldering, none of that. XLink just helps you bypass, rule out any mistakes. Clip in, clip on, and get your drive on. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.